Hello, I'm Ahhan Chhaparwal, studying in SVKM JV Parekh International School, Grade 6. I study in Mecharon Robotics, Mumbai. Today, I'm going to show you how to construct and operate a four-wheel drive. To construct a four-wheel drive, you require the below parts: a medium plate, two small C-bars, four small bars, four motors, and four wheels. To make the four-wheel drive operate, you require Arduino controller. The Arduino controller consists of an Arduino Nano, two motor drives which each controls two motors, a voltage regulator, a port for charging, a start-stop button, and a jack to connect the USB drive and upload the program onto the USB. So each motor connects to two pins here as shown. These pins are then connected to the pins of our Arduino Nano. Let's see what happens once I switch it on.